I'm Victoria Burt, and I'm the Director of Marketing here at DotCMS. When I joined DotCMS, we were stuck in kind of a cycle of random acts of growth marketing and demand gen, and based on our ad spend, our engine really wasn't performing at the rate I thought it should be, and also our reporting and our audiences were a little bit all over the place. I brought on Refine Labs to bring us kind of a fresh approach and philosophy to demand gen, creation, as well as capture. So initially, they spent a lot of time understanding our company, our product, our position in the market, and really tailored their strategy to our challenges and what our goals were. So ultimately, we ended up restructuring our ad strategy, overhauled our reporting on HubSpot, and worked on new ad and video creatives for our campaigns. And within a couple months, we did see our inbound demo requests double without sacrificing quality. And actually, if anything, our inbounds got even more qualified, which spoke volumes to me and was super validating that we were hitting our ICP with the right message on the right channels. So if you are looking to modernize your demand strategy, bring more structure to your programs, I think Refine Labs can definitely help. They don't approach an engagement by pitching gift cards for low intent meetings or a promise of hundreds of MQLs and other vanity metrics. They're super hyper focused on real growth. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I really appreciated working with them.